Aura Skylounge, Palm Jumeirah, and welcome to the highest sky pool in the city. And this here is the Palm Jumeirah's answer to your Palm Jumeirah sky pool view. And we're here at sunset, and you can see views right the way to the Burj Al Arab, Burj Khalifa, and to Atlantis. So check this out. Wow. So for those of you visiting Dubai, you need to come and check out Aura Skylounge here at Nakheel Mall on the Palm Jumeirah for this incredible view at sunset of the Palm Jumeirah and Atlantis there. Royal Atlantis. So this is Royal Atlantis. This is Atlantis. So Royal Atlantis is due to open by December this year. And all of these little branches here are the fronds of the palm. Each of those fronds has villas for sale. These villas are from 5,000 to 7,500 square foot. Each of them are on a private beach. So if you're looking for a villa to live here on the palm, this is where you want to come to. And then let's just check out the view over to the other side towards Dubai Marina, because it is just the most incredible view here at sunset. So over here is the end of the Palm Jumeirah, and we're back to Emaar Beachfront, Dubai Marina, JBR, and this is Blue Water Island with the Ferris wheel, Ain Dubai, Dubai Ain. And this is the happening place. So Emaar Beachfront is where everybody's buying property right now because they want a beachfront property, 1, 2, 3 bedroom apartments here right on the ocean. So if you want to check out Aura Skylounge, come, chill out, take a chair and just sit back and relax. And if you're looking for property with views like this, with a location like this, then you don't want to come anywhere else but the Palm Jumeirah. Get in touch with me, look down below in my description, press like, press subscribe, and I will give you all of the details of the latest apartments, townhouses, villas and plots of land for sale on the Palm Jumeirah here at Dubai. Looking forward to chatting to you very, very soon.